Now, OnePlus recently announced that the OnePlus 10 Pro will hit the market in January. No specific date as of now. But according to a listing by a Chinese retailer, the OnePlus 10 will be available for pre-order on 4th of January. Now, if you don't know, this is the exact date when you can expect the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE to be announced in Samsung's Together for Tomorrow keynote. Why would OnePlus do that? Well, maybe OnePlus is trying to steal Samsung's thunder. But the S21 FE is going to be Samsung's flagship killer device with a competitive price tag. That's what we are expecting. And that phone has a good fan base, same like the OnePlus. So it will definitely be exciting to see who steals whose thunder. Now, the listing on the Chinese retail website doesn't really reveal any other information. However, we already know the major specs. The OnePlus 10 Pro is expected to feature 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPO 2.0 AMOLED display for smoothest possible gaming experience. Pete Lau has confirmed that. And that too with the help of mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor from Qualcomm. If you want to check out the video on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1's benchmarks, yeah, you can check out that video. And if you want the wallpapers from the thumbnail photos, then visit my website jointhevid.com, link down below. The OnePlus 10 Pro will have 5000 mAh battery with support for up to 80W fast wired charging and up to 50W wireless charging. Finally, the OnePlus 10 Pro will have a 32MP selfie camera placed inside the small punch hole in the top left corner of the display. At the back there would be a 48MP main camera complemented by a 50MP ultra wide angle camera and an 80MP 3x double zoom camera. The phone will come with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB or 256GB UFS 3.1 storage options. So yeah, that's about it. It's exciting because we don't have to wait that long anymore. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, jointhevid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.